Shirt, check. Jersey, check. Sneakers, check. Mamba gifts. Hit the B-roll.
Somebody. Ain't nobody.
What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we're reviewing the Kobe 4 Gift for Mamba, or Mamba Gifts. Nice sneaker, man. They dropped today. I was able to get the pass, so I went to pick them up from the Nike store. Nike store was crowded, man. But they had the jerseys, they had the shirts, and I was able to get the sneakers. This is not your typical Kobe, man. There's a lot of luxury in here. I mean, you probably still could wear it on the basketball court, but a lot of luxury. Rattlesnake, UNBOX suede, all black. Super dope, man. The jersey I actually already had got from the Bubble Championship, so I didn't have to cop it again, but the Nike store did have it. But the shirt is a brand new one, man. All black. You can hardly see the details unless you up on it, but you get the Kobe logo there on the front, and then on the back, you get the 8, which is really a Mamba snake, 24, some years here, 99. Oh, that's all the championships. But it's on like a black and black look, which is dope and very Kobe-esque, but you can hardly see it. The shirt went for $50, and they still have some stores and still have some sizes in the Nike store. But we're gonna get in depth on these Kobe 4 joints, man. Hit the music.
Unboxing time.
Yes, sir. So we get the same box that the reverse Grinches came in. Black Mamba, rattlesnake skin all around the box. Big Kobe logo on the front with Kobe's signature there. And it's all the way around rattlesnake. It reads Kobe 4 Protro Black University Gold. When you flip open the lid, black on black. It's not even like, usually you got like white on the top, all black inside. White tissue paper though. And let's start with the right shoe. Here's a 360 view of the Gift for Mamba Protro 4s Kobe joints. Now just look at this rattlesnake, man. This is luxury material, man. For the sneaker to be $190 and give you a lot of this reptile skin is crazy to me. So you mostly got it here around the toes, a lot of rattlesnake. The inside, UNBOX suede, like a powdery UNBOX suede, not jet black. It is a little ashy, a little light. The rattlesnake creeps back in on the swoosh, and this is a big swoosh, guys. I mean, if you can remember the Kobe 4 Protro, it's usually plastic, but here you just get crazy rattlesnake. It looks and feels like reptile. You also get it up here at the top with the first eyelid holders, and it comes all the way around the back, the ankle to the sock liner. You can see what I'm talking about, like with the powdery UNBOX. It's like I got more ash look than like a jet black, like a Jordan 6 infrared. You get more of an ash look there, but you got 24 there, Kobe's second number, implanted inside the UNBOX suede. Come down, you get like some hard plastic, looks patent leather, but it's hard to touch. And then you get the regular Protro technology air zoom at the bottom. The tongue has the iconic Kobe logo also in that hard plastic look. On a UNBOX, feels leather. This might be leather on a leather / UNBOX tongue, and then under the tongue becomes all mesh at the bottom. It comes in black shoelaces. I wish they would have gave us some gold or some purple, but black on black look, all black for the sneaker. Even the inside is all black with a white Kobe logo in the inside, but everything else is all black in there. And staying with the theme, the bottom is all black also. You got a Nike swoosh here. And I want to say it looks like a handprint, right? But I'm not sure. I don't know if it's any like remembrance to this bottom, but you do get the Nike swoosh there, and the little plastic creeps in right here on the inside, giving you like Jordan 10 vibes, Jordan 11 vibes right there. That was the left. This is the right. The right has Kobe Bryant's signature in gold. The right has it. The left doesn't, guys. So the right side is where you get the swoosh. But also on the right side, you still get the same 24. So everything's the same there. This looks like the LeBrons to me. I don't know what number, but right here I'm feeling LeBron-ish. But just take a look at that rattlesnake. It's there, man. You even get black shoe eyelids. Everything's black on this shoe besides that little bit of gold there from the Kobe signature. But it's definitely a stealth shoe, all black. The insides doesn't change on the right neither. So everything adds up from right to left. This jersey go hand in hand with these sneakers, guys. Yes, sir. So this is a quick review of the gift from Mamba Protro 4s. Vanessa said we're going to get Kobe's, man, and they coming, man. I still leaning towards the Grinches. Maybe it's the red. I don't know, man. But an all black shoe, you can't go wrong. But this is luxury. Usually Kobe's are made for the basketball court. This is a luxury shoe. It's even heavier than most Kobe's that I own, man. But let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. Retail was $190 plus tax. I think like $210 or something. New York, Nike store. I wound up getting the shirt too. But Kobe, man, he lives on, man. RIP to the Mamba. Of course, y'all know it's Zoom Air, right? Shouldn't have to tell you that. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.
Somebody.